Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DataGridView in Visual Studio. First, locate the DataGridView control in the toolbox and drag it onto your form. You can then easily resize and position it to fit your layout. For a responsive design, consider setting its dock property to fill, which makes it automatically adjust to the parent container. This initial setup takes just a few moments, providing a flexible grid for displaying your data. Now, let's get some data into our data grid view. The most common way is to bind it to a data source, like a data table or a list of custom objects. Simply set the data source property to your prepared data. For smaller, more controlled scenarios, you can also manually add columns and then populate rows one by one. This flexibility allows you to display almost any type of tabular information efficiently. Making your data grid view visually appealing and user-friendly is straightforward. You can easily customize column headers, adjust cell styles, and even alternate row colors for better readability. Use the default cell style property to set fonts, background colors, and text alignment. Furthermore, you can embed interactive elements such as buttons or checkboxes directly into cells, enhancing user interaction significantly. These options provide extensive control over the grid's look and feel. Interacting with your data grid view is crucial for dynamic applications. You can capture user actions through various events, such as cell click when a user clicks a cell, or cell value changed when data is modified. Within these event handlers, you can easily access specific cell values or entire row data. Additionally, implement data validation to ensure that any user input meets your criteria before it is processed or saved, making your application robust and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.